On August 22nd, we were to dock in Arles, but due to a broken lock, we had to dock in Avignon, which was to be our last port. Viking had to quickly find buses to take us to Arles for our tour. We were up early for an 8:15 a.m. departure. Despite some of the area being bombed during World War II, much of the Roman architecture was still in place.
Hi! We are walking through Arles.
Bien sûr, bien sûr. Il y a 6 mois d'entretien et en fait les mecs il y a des mecs qui ont sauté toute l'année, même dans le café, et les moments où il est totalement à l'autre avec son
You see, the Dutch have invaded. That was our cruise director, Joey, who's from the Netherlands.
With that, but like today with an international soccer game, do you kill the soccer players? No, I know, unfortunately.
See the cat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Very, very small.
Create the floor of the arena in the center. The first stand was in stone, as you can see here, until the top of all the arches you can see all around you. And you can see not only one, but one, two, and actually we have the third one, three different towers. As we said, they are medieval, just for one reason. At the end of the Roman Empire, at the end of the 5th century AD, there were a lot of barbarian invasion from the north and the east of Europe, and they entered in the country. The population, same history everywhere, needed to protect them, and they decided to settle in this amphitheater. You remember when we were outside, it still looks like a fortress, except 2000 years ago it was a fortress open everywhere. So they closed with a wall the two levels of the 16 arcade all around, and they settled inside as in a real fortress. If you say fortress, you say towers, to watch the surroundings in case of invasion. So that's why you have medieval towers, but it's not the original from the Roman time. And finally, the amphitheater today is well preserved because they lived inside during a long, long time. Not only during the time of the invasion, but they lived inside during 1,200 years until the beginning of the 18th.
Vincent van Gogh was hospitalized here when he cut off his ear.
And these ruins, which we can't get into, are the Roman Baths of Provence. More of the Roman baths. It's very old. Very cool. More of Arles.
Arl.
See all the cruise ships lined up. This is where we were supposed to dock, but due to a lock malfunction, we didn't.
I can't get it.
What is this, Deb?
That is the entry gates, but from inside the city.
So I'm on the side of the river, and pillars with lions on either side. This was a railway bridge at one time, and it was destroyed during bombing World War II. So this part of the city was hit, and the part over there was not, the old part. And across you can see the remnants of where the rail line ran, and everything's new around it.
Since we couldn't be back on board for lunch, Viking provided us with 25 euros each shipboard credit to eat locally. I had an octopus salad and Deb had a warm goat cheese salad, and of course, a glass of wine each. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button.